Good evening. Today has been a long, different day, and tomorrow is a new day, and all I can say is that God is good. So good night, and God bless you all.